Okay, as promised, guys, we're working on this one. Some of you are going to trickle in. I see one person, the other person will come in too, but it's being recorded. I double check. Okay, so we are back to, go ahead.
No, my dog was sitting here trying to eat my food. I was telling her it was gone.
Okay. All right. Let's see, where are we? Okay, fine. You're here. All right, guys. So it's a little tricky. I'm going to warn you. Okay, so bear with me a little bit. So guys, okay, I'm going to redo it, not redo the whole thing. But if you read the question, it says there's a gray square and the four corners are on the on the two sides, as you can see. Okay, that's understandable. And the middle gray piece is a square. It can be, you're sliding it inside a rectangle. Now these measurements are there. Okay, this piece is 8. And this piece is 6. Okay, let me see how I did it. So I have to think about it a little bit, guys. I did it a long time ago. Okay, find the perimeter of the, so we need to find the perimeter of the whole thing. I have to think about it a little bit. So basically what they're saying is this is L and this is W. You have to find L plus W times 2, really. How do we do that? And you have to be a little patient with me. I have to think about it a little bit. Okay, I'm going to call this guy X. Okay, if the width of the rectangle is W, this is W, and this is W. Isn't it, guys? Based on the given conditions? Okay, I have it. Okay, now very slowly, guys, very slowly. I'm going to change this color to pink. This piece, just this piece, just this little pink piece has to be 8 minus W. Okay, this is W2. This side is W, this side is W, everything is W. From this 8, if you subtract this W, you get 8 minus W. Okay, let's take another color. Take it blue, this little piece here. Little piece here. This has to be 6 minus W. How does that help us? Well, that helps us a lot, actually. Okay, that helps us a lot. Now, very carefully. Okay, I didn't even have to do both, but I did. That's fine. This is 6 minus W, the blue piece. Okay, so what is the length? Let's use a different color. Length is BC. I'm going to do some write up here. Okay, BC for us, I know we are recording. BC is the length of the rectangle. I could have used AD. Okay, it really doesn't matter. A little bigger for us. This problem throws me off every time I do it. Okay, all right. Now, guys, to find BC, all of BC, I can do this 6 plus this 8 minus W. Okay, so I'm going to write here BC is equal to 6, the part that's given, plus 8 minus W, which is 8 plus 6 is 14 minus W. Now I have everything, guys, and it looks very promising. Very promising. I'll soon tell you why. I know BC, which is the length of the rectangle. I know AB, which is the width of the rectangle. How do I find perimeter? Well, I say, and let's say BC is my L, right? L is the length, and the perimeter of any rectangle is 2 times L plus W. And let's see, I know everything. W is W. Little tricky, guys. W is W. So I'm going to replace 2 with 2. L is 14 minus W from top. I'm going to show you. L is 14 minus W. And W is W. W is W. And this W and this W, they cancel. Good for us. So what can I do? I basically have 2 times 14. The 2 W's cancel, and that gives me 28. Done. It's a clever problem. Every time I do it, I'm like, I hope I'll be able to do it. Now the unit is, it says 8. I don't have to worry, but if the unit was inches, you would write inches. I'm just going to write unit. Now I'm going to quickly go back, check my answer, okay? Give me 1 second. I'll do the next one. 224. I hope it's 28. It is. All right, I'll try the next one, but I'm gonna pause there a little bit, guys. It's a little tricky. Now, I did the blue one. I go ahead and do both corners. Okay, I didn't have to. It seems like I need only one corner. 8 minus W would have taken care of it. Okay, guys, let's try the last problem of the day today. Let's try the last one. It's very similar. The numbers have been changed. Okay. It's the same story, so I'm not going to worry about it too much. Just to let you know, I'm going to call the side, shorter sides W. This is W. This is W. This is W. This is W. Okay, so this has to be 7 minus W. All right. If I say this is L, this is L, and L is basically 6 plus 7 minus W. Okay, so I'm going to write here. Which is 13 minus W, because 6 plus 7 is 13. All right, guys, I'm supposed to find the perimeter of the whole rectangle, which is always, just going to write P. Instead of L, I can write 13 minus W plus W. W and W cancel because 1 is plus, 1 is minus. And I'm left with 2 times 13 is 26. And the unit is units. I think I remember seeing the answer as 26, but, excuse me, but I will double check. The very last one, give me 1 second, okay? 26 is 26, so I didn't mess things up too much. That's my answer. So guys, I am thinking I'll be here for sure. I won't start the next packet. That's be recorded for about 45 minutes, 46 minutes. So I'm going to stop here. So all the problems I've done, from area perimeter 1 will be certainly a fair game on exam 2. It'll be here before you know. It's already in the course outline. Double check. Don't miss it. Other than that, I'm going to pause or see if we have people here with questions or not. And let's see. So we wrapped up, and I'm talking to everybody now, people who will watch it later. We wrapped up area perimeter 2, and the plan is to hang around here after class to take your questions and upload some practice problems for you guys. Unless people who are here say, no, do the next packet. I'm not going to start a new packet. I'm not too wild about it today, but we'll do a new packet tomorrow. Area perimeter 2. Those of you who are here, do you have any questions, guys, about anything? Not just this problem. Okay, I'll be here, but I'll stop recording, but we'll maintain office hours. Thank you guys for coming.